So I'll start by ripping up some scrap like this, and then I can put it together to make it look like this. And once we have our pieces cut out and they are looking sharp and clean, then we can make them look like this. Kind of reminds me of Neapolitan ice cream. And don't worry about those blemishes and dings and divots, because we can make those look cool. What this thing needs is a lid. Yeah, that'll do nicely. But before we put our hinges on that, I got an idea. Just one more easy way to put a little personalized flair on this little keepsake box. Some carbon paper or tracing paper. This doesn't have to be perfect when we wood burn it. It's going to clean it up quite a bit. We're just trying to go for the general outline. And that stencil comes out looking a little something like that. Went ahead and finished wood burning that little stencil. Added a hinge to the back. Went ahead and sheared off 2 screws for good measure. Had to replace those with mismatching screws, but you know what? That's totally fine. Adds character to it. Don't sweat it. So that is looking pretty slick up to this point. Now it's time to pick a finish. Something clear coat. Something will show off that grain. I was going to fix this crack, but I don't want to. I like it. I think it looks cool. So now we can make this look like this. Just a very simple clear coat, warm gloss polyurethane. It's very pretty contrasting colors. Just have some rubber feet on there. And another fun gift for one of my favorite downhill racers. Just a rustic old box for a really good human. I hope you enjoyed it. I almost forgot, just one more caveat. Again, whenever I'm doing this cedar, I like to leave this inside bare. So it's kind of cool to see the contrasting colors of the wood, but then once that polyurethane cures, you'll be able to smell that cedar every time you open the box. Thanks again for watching.